Hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. I am Preeti. I hope you all are good. So in this today's video tutorial, I am going to tell you how we can add a custom HTML or CSS or JavaScript custom code to a SharePoint Modern Page. So in this video tutorial, I am going to tell you two different approaches. One is we can embed the custom code in our SharePoint Modern Page, and another one I will tell you how we can add the custom page as a link into SharePoint left navigation. So one of our requirement is going on where the client asks us can you embed this custom code into the SharePoint Modern Page. Custom code means they will send the JavaScript or HTML or CSS. They have the code, and that code they want that custom code they wanted to display in the SharePoint Modern Page. So before going forward, let me tell you, whenever you are going to use the custom code, in such cases SharePoint doesn't provide any out of box web part. So we need to either embed, or we can see a different approaches for it. So in this video I will tell you both the scenario that how it works. So before moving forward, if you are using custom code, then you need to enable a custom script settings option from the SharePoint Admin Center. So here you can see this is my Microsoft 365 Admin Center. You need to come here, and then you can see in the left navigation there will be all. So once you scroll down, you can see the SharePoint option. Just click on it. Once you will open the SharePoint, you need to go to the particular active site. So for that one, you can see here in the left navigation there will be sites, and under the sites there will be active sites. So you need to go there, and wherever you want to add that custom code into the modern page, into the SharePoint Modern Page, you need to search out that particular site name. So here I will search one site name, that is document management system. So here I will select this site and I will click on it. So once I will click on it, you can see the settings option here, and here under the settings option you can see custom scripts. So just click on edit over here, and now by default it will be blocked. You need to click on allow, and then you need to save it. But before that, I will show you. Here you can see one information, like when you set the custom scripts setting to allowed, it will automatically switch back to blocked within 24 hours. That means even if you'll allowed it, but by default automatically it will blocked within the it will revert back to blocked within 24 hours. But suppose you have now I will make it allow, and I will go to this page, and I will add the custom code into that page. Now everything has done, and again whenever I will come after 24 hours, it will be there. It won't reflect the code will not affect anything. But if you want to custom something into that, then that is not possible. You need to add it again. Okay, again you need to come over here into this custom script option, and you need to allow it, and then only you can do there in the modern page. And once you will click on this allow, just click on save, and after that a pop-up will come. This allow users to add custom scripts, it will ask you need to just confirm it. For that one, just click on confirm, and that's done. Now you can see that save button has been grayed out. And next, what you need to do, you need to collect all the CSS, HTML, JavaScript code, and you need to open any code editor like Visual Studio Code or any other code editor, and then you need to copy paste all the code here. You can see this is my HTML CSS code. So this one is basically I have taken one example of digital clock widget. Okay, I want to show this digital clock widget in my SharePoint Modern site page. Once you will paste the code, you need to save the file as name.asps. You can see here I have saved this name as clock.aspx. This is mandatory, you need to do. And after that, this file you need to save in your local system or anywhere you want to store, you can store it. So once it is done, we need to go back to our SharePoint site, okay, document management system, you can see here. And what you need to do, you need to upload that file, that .aspx file, into a document library. So here I have taken one SharePoint document library that is by default documents. Here I need to upload it. So here I will go to upload option, then files, then I will save this file. So here this is the folder and this is the file .aspx file. So you need to just upload that .aspx file over here. So here you can see that clock.aspx file is stored in the document library. Next, you need to go to the SharePoint site page where you want to add that code or add that HTML CSS custom code. I have created this home page. If you want, you can create a new one also. So now you need to click on edit, and once you will click on edit, that page will edit, and then scroll down wherever you want to add the HTML CSS code. So here I will take one column, and then here you can see once you will click on this to add any web part, you need to click on that plus icon, and then here you need to search as embed. Once you will click on it, it will ask you to the add embed code. For this one, what you need to do, you need to go to the particular library and copy the code. So till this much you can copy the SharePoint document library name. You can till this one you can copy and just paste it in a notepad. And then what you need to do, here you need to check what is your file name. So here my file name is clock.aspx. Whatever the name it is, you need to just provide the same exact name after that slash. So here this is the full embed code. So this one is till this one is your SharePoint document library name, and this one is your that particular HTML CSS code like .aspx file. So now I will copy this code and I will paste over here. So once I added this embed code into this box, you can see in the left side it is already added. So live digital clock, you can see it is visible. So once you will republish this one, you can see in the publishing mode as well. So here once you will scroll down, you can see this is the live digital clock. So this is the first approach where we can add the HTML CSS custom code into the SharePoint Modern Page. The second approach is we will create this link in this left navigation. You can see this is the SharePoint left navigation. So here we need to click on edit. So once you will edit, here you can just cursor, you just move it, and here it will show the plus icon. Here it is used to add a link or label to this navigation. Click on it and you just provide choose an option, or it will be like this, make it link, and then the address you can put the same thing like whatever we have copied over here, just copy and paste over here in this address. Now here you can just provide the display name for it. Suppose I will provide digital clock, and also if you want to open in a new tab, so whenever you will click on it, then you can choose this option open in a new tab, and then just click on OK. And after that you need to save this one. So here you can see it has added. Now you need to just click on it, and once you click on it, you can see it will navigate to the another tab, and here you can see the live digital clock. So this is the second approach where you can use the HTML CSS custom code into the SharePoint page. So to know more details about this topic, like how we can add custom HTML CSS to SharePoint Modern Page, I have completely written one article on the SharePoint You can visit this link, and I will provide this link in the description box as well. So you can click on that and you can navigate to this page where you will get all the details, full details of it. So you can read and you can enjoy this article. If you really like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you and have a nice day.